Hello everyone, this is Eric with another tutorial. We're going to be getting a little deeper into methods today. So because we're going to be using turtles for the methods, I wrote these methods within turtle.java. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to declare the variable, which is public. And then after that we will write the return of the variable, which is void. And you will name the method that you want to use so that you can go and call your turtle to run that method by that name. After that, we're going to put the parameter that we're going to use, which for this I'm using size, and the integer is right here. So you'll see throughout the method that I am using integers for the turns and the pen width, but throughout I'm using size times 2 because it makes it a lot easier to change the size as I'm going through things, so that when I go into actually call it and I try to run it, I can put a size and then it'll pretty much stay the same size or the same shape throughout. I have 4 different methods that I have here, which are going to create a shape that I will show you in just a moment. If I come in here, I have my world that I created, and I put 3 turtles, which are all going to run my methods. One of the turtles will be running 2 of my methods, and then down here I set the different colors that I want to use for my method and the different parameters for the shapes. And let's run the method and show you how it works. Oh, I'm going to have to compile. Okay, here we go. So you'll see here, draws a cool little figure, deadlifting. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to try and run it with some different integers in the parameter. I'm going to move this to 50, 75, 50, 40, and 40. So we reduced everything by 10. And we will run it again. And it comes out to be pretty much the same exact thing. The bar seems to be a little lower, but that's okay. So thank you for watching my video on my different methods.